Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure a calorie deficit. To begin, a calorie deficit occurs when you consistently consume fewer calories than your body expends each day. This fundamental principle is the only way to lose body fat over time. It's all about creating an energy imbalance where your body uses stored energy, primarily fat, to make up the difference. Understanding this core concept is your first step towards effective weight management. Next, you need to calculate your body's daily energy requirements. Start by finding your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, which is the minimum calories your body needs to perform basic functions at rest, like breathing and circulation. Then, factor in your activity level to determine your total daily energy expenditure, or TD. This represents the total calories you burn in a day. Many reliable online calculators can help you estimate these numbers based on your age, weight, height, and activity. Once you know your TD, the goal is to consistently consume fewer calories than that number. A safe and sustainable approach is to aim for a daily deficit of 300 to 500 calories. This typically leads to a weight loss of about 1 pound per week. You can achieve this by making mindful dietary choices, such as reducing sugary drinks and processed foods, and by increasing your physical activity. Remember, consistency is key for long-term success. To sustain your calorie deficit, consistent tracking is invaluable. Use a food diary or a calorie counting app to log everything you eat and drink, ensuring you stay within your target. As your body changes, your calorie needs may shift, so regularly reassess and adjust your intake. Focus on a balanced diet rich in protein and fiber to help you feel full and preserve muscle mass. This holistic approach supports healthy, lasting results on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.